How to learn SEO fast and easy? A comprehensive guide. Search engine optimization, SEO, is a crucial aspect of digital marketing that helps improve the visibility of a website on search engines, such as Google. It can seem overwhelming, but learning SEO doesn't have to be complicated or time-consuming. By following some simple and effective steps, you can become an SEO pro in no time. What is SEO and why is it important? SEO is the process of optimizing a website to rank higher in search engine results pages, SERPs, for specific keywords and phrases. This is important because the higher a website ranks, the more likely people are to visit it, which can lead to more traffic, more leads, and more conversions. Key components of SEO. To understand how to learn SEO, it's important to understand the key components that make up the discipline. These include keyword research. This involves identifying the keywords and phrases that your target audience is searching for and incorporating them into your website content. On-page optimization. This involves optimizing your website's content and structure to improve its ranking on search engines. Off-page optimization. This involves improving the external factors that influence your website's ranking, such as backlinks and social media signals. Steps to learn SEO fast and easy. Start with the basics. Get familiar with the basic principles of SEO and the different components that make it up. Read articles, watch videos, and attend webinars to get a good understanding of the basics. Conduct keyword research. Start by researching the keywords that your target audience is searching for. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner and Ahrefs to help you with this. Analyze your website's current performance. Use tools like Google Analytics and Ahrefs to analyze your website's current performance and identify areas that need improvement. Optimize your website's on-page elements. Start optimizing your website's on-page elements, such as title tags, meta descriptions, and header tags. Make sure your content is well written, optimized for search engines, and relevant to your target audience. Build quality backlinks. Building quality backlinks is an important part of off-page optimization. Reach out to other websites in your niche and offer to write guest posts or provide content in exchange for a backlink. Monitor your progress. Regularly monitor your website's ranking and traffic to see the progress you're making. Use tools like Google Analytics and Ahrefs to track your progress and make adjustments as needed. Stay up to date with the latest SEO trends. SEO is constantly evolving, so it's important to stay up to date with the latest trends and best practices. Read articles, attend webinars, and join online communities to stay informed. Conclusion. By following these simple steps, you can quickly and easily learn SEO and start improving your website's ranking on search engines. Remember, SEO is a long-term process that requires patience and dedication, but the results are well worth it.